Nando's medium.
Chicken
though.
adobo, yeah.
Very good.
Are you? Yeah.
Very, very good.
No questions asked. I've clearly.
Hi guys, ngayong araw pala na to, may bisita kaming pupunta sa bahay. So, ngayong araw na to magluluto ako ng pancit canton. Yan. Hot chili, made in the Philippines. So, yung mga bisita namin sila Alex tsaka si Hana. So, mamaya magluto ako ng ito nga, pancit canton. And ito guys, longganisa. Galing pa to sa atin, binili ko sa Filipino store. And pangatlo, yung pambato natin sa yung pinaka sa atin, yung pinaka well known talaga, chicken adobo. Gagawin ko tong chicken adobo guys. Mamaya pagluto nito, pagdating nila, tanungin natin kung ano yung reaction nila sa lutong Pinoy. So ngayong araw na to, lahat ng mga pagkain namin made in Philippines. Pero ako yung magluluto. Tingnan natin mamaya kung masarap pa or hindi. Pero I will try my best cooking Filipino foods para sa mga kaibigan namin na mga British. Okay? So mamaya guys, see you mamaya. So ayun guys, kain na kami. May longganisa, pancit canton, fried chicken, and chicken adobo.
That's hot.
It's gonna hurt in the morning.
Oh, this is a good buffet. We should eat the leaves now, the palm tree leaf.
Yeah. Thank you.
We'll stick that.
Did you say Hannah or Hannah?
Hana.
I thought you.
This
I thought it meant like Hannah
is
was like the
hot.
name for it. It's like, oh,
It's hot,
sorry.
it's hot, it's hot.
All right.
Cheers, man. Ready?
You want to use?
Whichever one.
What is the top? We don't know. You forgot to bring the. What is the? I forgot the utensils.
Oh, your utensils.
The spot.
You didn't get knife and forks and stuff.
Hmm?
You didn't bring knife and forks and stuff.
We have. But I forgot to.
Do you want me to go down and get a big spoon?
It's not, yeah, it's alright, we can make do.
Alex, give me your plate.
Oh,
How big is your one?
awesome. Yeah, we need a rice cooker. We do need a rice cooker. Oh,
Help yourself about the
thank you very much.
babe. You need to use your hands so that it's camera is on already. So next one.
So we're going to get another fork?
You're gonna use
I
your
thought we had more forks and stuff.
Alex, level one.
What's that? Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So ayun guys, kakain na kami. And all of that is, lahat yan ayun no, Filipino foods. Authentic.
Yeah.
Yan si Alex, Ana, Emma.
Hi.
It's good. Very good.
So that's chicken adobo,
Very nice. Smells good as well.
pancit canton, and longanisa. This is longanisa, we call it longanisa.
Longanisa.
And yeah, we will see it how you like it.
Good.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
these are
Oh my
foods.
god.
So ito yan guys, meron kaming longanisa, merong pancit canton, fried chicken, and then chicken adobo, and kanin. No rice, no power.
I really think I
Oh,
might need to
probably.
get another knife and fork.
Do you have it, Therese?
There's only knives.
There is a...
I
Well,
mean,
it's
it's
the
fine.
opposite. Rice is easier.
Yeah.
It's the one with the sauce that isn't easy. Your hands are going to get really dirty. Just like that.
Those sisters.
There is a pork, baby ko.
Oh my god, they're good.
You wanna sit down?
No, okay.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Sit down and... Yeah, like that. Yeah?
Oh.
It's good.
Oh my god.
Go to the camera. Tell
Oh
them.
my god.
Tell them.
Absolutely amazing. Oh, I want the recipe.
Thumbs up from me.
Put the sauce. Try the sauce. You wanna try the sauce?
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm full.
The
Yeah.
chicken's really
Get
good.
the get the chicken as well.
Yeah. Oh, I've got, yeah. There you go. Go for it.
Yeah. Babe, you want the
Alright,
sauce?
Mum.
The sauce. You wanna try the sauce?
I'm okay at the moment.
You sure?
Didn't make me out. Need a bit.
Try the sausage. Hmm. Panalo.
It's well good.
You like it?
Yeah.
These sausages are really sweet.
Yeah, that's so good.
Nice.
Yung longganisa lo guys, nasarapan sila. Sarap. Masarap is lami.
So
Good.
annoying having long hair sometimes, isn't it? It's flying in my face.
It's so tender, isn't it?
Really yummy.
I can eat with my hands with everything, but when it comes to the sauce part, it's difficult.
So I just wash my hands after, like.
I just get feel all sticky.
That's alright. Don't mind it.
Good? Happy? Happy birthday.
You can sit down, Hannah, if you want.
I'll sit down in a second, just a bit excited. You know when you're excited and you just have to like stand up?
No?
Oh my god, that chicken. So good. I love pork.
I have to get the recipe from you as well.
Yeah?
I'll sell it to you.
So,
Nasarapan daw sila sa ano guys, sa chicken adobo. You can move a little bit,
No. Just don't do that to me like I was super close while I'm chewing.
A little bit spicy, the noodles. Yeah? you don't eat spicy food, Sana?
That's a good shot. Yeah, I like spicy food.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm a Nando's medium.
Chicken
girl.
adobo, yeah?
Very
Are
good.
you?
Yeah.
Very, very good.
No questions asked, I'm clearly lemming it out. Oh, have you tried the Walker's Crisps? Nando's flavour and your sushi
No, I
flavour?
really want to
They're
though.
really good. The Coke sell them 2 for a pound, maybe we'll go over later.
Yeah.
Because you're not in any rush, are you?
How long did you cook the chicken for?
Like 1 hour.
I was about to say it's really, really soft and
So
nice,
soft,
and it's
yeah.
lovely.
I mean it's in a good way, but like the chicken's really salty, but like I love salty food. Like it tastes really good because of it. Yeah.
Don't be shy, okay? Just be, feel at home.
Thank you.
Chicken adobo. This is the number 1 in the Philippines. When you go in the Philippines, ask the people the chicken adobo and they will give you chicken adobo.
Yeah, that's the most famous thing.
Is it? Is that like fish and chips for us?
Yeah. No, no.
I cook this for you guys. You know?
Thank you.
Very good. Very, very good. Thank you. Oh, lovely.
You didn't try this one, did you? No?
How do you make the sauce?
The
But the
sauce of the
Sausage.
That's the sauce from itself. By
Oh.
itself. Yeah.
Very good.
It just makes the sauce from all the recipes and the
Yeah.
ingredients in it.
Well, bring your drink.
Thank you.
It's really good.
Do you know what we should do as well?
It's really good, the chicken.
Do a Love Island skit on this on Joe's YouTube video today. With the bubble.
You know fried chicken is well.
Bubble up with this bubble.
So I won't say that, but it's just really good.
I've said to Hannah, we should do like a Love Island skit. So,
What the heck?
I want to bubble up with this bubble.
Did you see that Boris's announcement?
Oh, so you don't know what the hell I'm on about?
I know what you mean about social bubble, but I'm the opposite. Although I'd be all over Love Island, like I actually don't watch it.
So funny.
So I
You
ha-
don't watch Love Island?
I'd be all over that show, but for the I think the last 3 years that I've been on holiday, so I would have missed half of it.
Yeah.
And then it's a big commitment where it's on every single night for so long.
As well,
So I haven't watched it.
did you watch Too Hot to Handle?
Yeah, I love that.
Mm.
And I love like X on the Beach. Like this is what I mean. It'd be my type of show. It's too
It's
long a
good.
commitment for me.
The only criticism about Love Island is some of the episodes drag.
I think it's
Really
having
drag.
the first couple of series it's had its day now.
Yeah.
Like Big Brother.
Yeah.
It was so good, and now it's like laughable.
Yeah.
That used to be really cool going Big Brother and win, and now we're
Some
like,
more.
oh gosh.
Pancit.
I will do.
Rice, it's good.
How
It's all
spicy
good.
are the noodles?
It's not spicy.
Oh, not too bad.
Just like
Yeah.
kind
try
of
it.
thick.
With us.
I can't get it.
Criticizing about using them still here.
Oh yeah. If you use your hands in like,
Disgusting.
not disgusting, it's just like
I think
in
different.
England, It's just different in England. Like you're taught to be this stern, like
From your
person who
parents
uses-
grow you up. Like,
That's the
hold your
thing,
knife
yeah.
and fork properly.
Yeah.
No elbows on the table.
Yeah,
What
no
the hell is
elbows on
that?
the table. And then also, don't
It's
hold
stupid.
your knife up here, you have to hold it down here.
Scoop your soup backwards rather than
Yeah,
forwards.
and even a way like how you put your knife and fork down on the table and on the plate.
Yeah.
That's stupid.
It's what we're growing up with. It's what
That's
we're-
yeah, that's the thing. Yeah. Just different traditions and stuff. But
You can't judge people, you know.
No, but only did remember you wrong.
So this is your first time having authentic Filipino foods, huh?
Yep. First time. And it won't be the last.
right.
So,
If I can say myself.
guys, ito pala yung ano, yung first time nilang kumain ng ano, authentic foods, Filipino. Ako nagluto nito lahat.
You just threw rice at the camera.
Oh yeah. Beer goes perfectly with it as well.
Ha?
Beer goes perfectly with it as well.
You always manage to get your chicken like really like juicy and flavorful.
What's that?
Good. He always manages to get his chicken like really juicy and like flavorful.
It's just really soft as well.
Yeah.
Lemon helps as well, doesn't it?
Mm.
Keeps it. No, it's like a lot of Indian takeaways. They soak their chicken in pineapple juice overnight.
That can make juicy.
I think it's just how fast you cook it as well. If you cook it like slower,
I cook this slower.
yeah.
That's why it's really soft and yummy. Because if you cook like really fast, and no, you end up like really chewy and
Or dry or like,
dry,
yeah.
Is that something that
Sausages as
tastes
well.
like the fishy? I don't know what that would be.
Oh, sausages.
I couldn't know.
Yeah.
It's like if you put
We're-
some
we're
fish-
not-
if you
They're
put
really
some
sweet.
fish sauce-
We're not eating fish, yeah?
Sweet.
No, I know, that's why I'm really confused.
Nothing. Maybe because of the pancit.
Oh, is it fish?
No, there's no pancit.
Hmm?
There's no fish there.
Fish.
No, I don't know, I just tasted something. It tasted like really fishy and I was really confused.
Actually, there was something on Facebook you put on Facebook about fish. Did you cook fish once?
Fish.
Was it on Facebook? I think you cooked like little fish. I saw it ages ago anyway.
I think I cook fish, yeah.
Yeah. And I think you put a post up. It wasn't that long ago. That looked good.
Probably your auntie's house, probably a picture of like dried fish or something. Sort of fish.
Yeah. Next time, I'm gonna cook fish, sweet and sour fish.
That sounds yummy.
I'm glad you said next time as well. Like this isn't a one-off.
Get really full. We had a massive
Getting
breakfast
full
at
now.
mum's. That's how I wasn't
Getting
ready
full
yet.
Rice is so Filipino, isn't it?
Yeah.
The good thing is just it's slowly, yeah. Because when you eat really fast,
We've got some left over.
Quite quick.
we can nibble.
Nibbles for later.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it later.
You will going home midnight anyway.
I always find that as well after I've had a drink.
Yeah,
Walking
hungry.
home
Yeah.
sobers me up before bed, so that
Yeah.
I wake up fine.
Yeah.
I think alcohol just makes me hungry though.
It
Yeah,
does
it does
me.
It's weird, isn't it?
I was explaining to Jay like how when you go clubbing and stuff, you always have to go for junk food after.
Oh yeah,
Always.
it's the
Like,
grease.
Yeah,
and,
it's a
oh.
bar, the
Yeah.
Subway, McDonald's, KFC.
So, we will end up this one, we will just say, masarap yung pagkain Pinoy. Masarap.
That's alright.
And then
Yeah.
This is because we will make in video, you know, to finish the video, we will just say, we need to say something that it's really good, like,
Yeah.
It's Filipino food is good. Yeah?
All good.
How's the Filipino?
Wait, I forgot how to say it.
Filipino food?
Masarap.
Masarap what?
Yeah, you can say in English.
Oh.
How's the Filipino food?
Delicious. 10 out of 10.
Masarap, yeah?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
I think 10 out of 10 is too low. It needs to be about 100 out of 10.
It's really good, yeah?
Oh god, especially sausages and chicken as well. So look, there's no chicken left.
Yeah. Wala na, puto na
I've literally
yung-
eaten everything.
Praise to the chef.
Yeah.
Thank you, babe.
Ready?
Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on our next video. Bye.